If purity had eyes, they would be these. If innocence had a smile, it would be this. If wisdom had to speak, such would be the words. If humility had to present itself, this would be the way. If spirituality had to be personified, this should be the persona.
Rajyogini Dadi Hriday Mohini. Dadi Hriday Mohini, affectionately known as Dadi Gulzar. Her names reflect her personality, a divine garden of spiritual fragrance. Dadi was an internationally recognized humanitarian leader, spiritual master, and an ambassador of peace, who dedicated 85 years of her life to the intense practice of Raj Yoga meditation.
Dadi Gulzar was 9 years old when she recognized God and his task of world transformation happening through the medium of Brahma Baba. She underwent intense spiritual training for 14 years, making soul consciousness a natural way of living and creating a deep personal connection with the Supreme Father, God Shiva.
Thereafter, Brahma Baba asked her to travel across the country and open meditation centers. A combination of innocence, courage, and humor characterize her story of traveling through India as a young girl, protected only by the conviction that she was just an instrument of God. That conviction formed a personality of complete clarity and openness. She never had any masks and defense mechanisms that most of us carry.
In 1969, when Brahma Baba reached his stage of completion, Dadi Gulzar became the medium chosen by God Himself. Her clean, clear intellect and pure conscience allowed millions to recognize the invisible, the ocean of love and knowledge, God, who was using her to transform souls from Kalyugi sanskars to Satyugi sanskars.
Her divine qualities, foresight, and modesty inspired millions of people to lead a simple, peaceful, and spiritual life. Dadi Gulzar always had a deep belief in human potential for the creation of a perfect world. From an early age, she had divine visions of a future world where technology, together with social, economic, and political structures, are in alignment with the highest human values, and where harmony, peace, and prosperity prevail. Her belief that this is the future of humanity took her to every continent of the world.
We have often heard of the world of completeness, harmony, and bliss. Some called it Atlantis, heaven, Eden, Garden of Allah. If that garden had to be personified, who better than Dadi Gulzar? As any garden that acts like a carbon sink, Dadi Gulzar too played this crucial role. No matter whatever confusions, doubts, or problems one carries in their mind, a moment in her presence, and all that carbon of mind was transformed into diamonds.
Dadi Hriday Mohini, a spiritual leader who had no followers. Her inspirations and vibrations only created leaders. Being in the presence of a love and power was not only an inspiration, but an awakening. Awakening to a new way of being, thinking, and living, where peace, love, harmony, and compassion are natural in every thought, word, and action. Dadi Hriday Mohini, the angel who connected everyone to God. Everyone to God. Everyone to God.